This is the Little Mommy Princess and the potty chair. We don't have the doll, we just have the potty. We bought it on YouTube. It opens and closes. It has this little pretend toilet paper and a flusher. And it also makes noises. And the neatest feature about this is that you have this water, and then when you press the seat down, when you put the doll on it, it turns to pee and poo. And then you can also flush it. And I'll let my son demonstrate with his, he has a little boy potty doll that, here you go, put it on the potty. Oh. Oh yeah, now flush it. Okay, put it where we can see it. And put your little potty, put your doll back on the potty. Put your doll back on the potty. Do you want to put the doll on the potty, or you want Mommy to do it?
Mommy does it.
Alright, Mommy will do it. So we put him on the potty. It makes a sound. And then there's pee and poop. And you flush it. Oh, good job.
Mommy, where's the soap? Did you wash my hands?
Do you like this toy?
It has the pink lid.
Yeah, it has a pink lid. Do you like this toy? Is it one of your favorite toys? Is it one of your favorite toys? Yes or no?
I love it too.
Oh, bye-bye, YouTube.
No, it's this one.
Alright, now we'll do the cat. Say, oh, good job.